Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will discuss Samsung Smart TV not showing Wi-Fi networks and how to fix the problem in minutes. Restart your Samsung Smart TV. Hold the power button on the remote until the TV restarts. Alternatively, unplug the TV from the power outlet for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This resolves temporary glitches affecting Wi-Fi connectivity. Verify Wi-Fi network availability. Check if other devices, for example phones or laptops, can detect and connect to your Wi-Fi network. Ensure the router is powered on and functioning. Restart the router by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. This helps determine if the issue is with the TV or the network. Adjust TV's network settings. Navigate to Settings, General, Network, open Network Settings and then Wireless. Delete saved Wi-Fi networks. Rescan for networks and reconnect with the correct password. Re-establishing the connection resolves saved network configuration issues. Check Wi-Fi frequency band compatibility. Ensure your router broadcasts a 2.4 GHz networks, as some Samsung TVs may not support 5 GHz bands. Connect the TV to the 2.4 GHz band. Connecting to a compatible frequency band ensures proper connectivity. Update TV firmware. Visit the Samsung Sport website on a computer to download the latest firmware. Transfer the firmware to a USB drive and insert it into the TV. Navigate to Settings, Sport, and then Software Update. Updating the firmware fixes bugs and improves Wi-Fi functionality. Reset network settings. Navigate to Settings, General, Network, and then Reset Network. Confirm the reset and restart the TV. Set up the Wi-Fi connection again. Resetting network settings clear misconfigurations blocking connectivity. Ensure proper router placement. Place the router closer to the TV, ideally within 15 meters. Minimize obstructions and interference from other electronic devices. Proper router placement minimizes interference and improves signal strength. Factory reset the TV as a last resort. Navigate to Settings, General, and then Reset. Enter the pin. The default pin is 0000 and confirm the reset. Reconfigure the TV including Wi-Fi settings after the reset. Use as a last resort since it erases all settings and restores factory defaults. Thanks for watching.